Your perfect face, not to mention your perfect body elegance. The way you move while you're dancing.
Guys, I'm so tired. Guys, you know what? I'm so excited today. Your girl got monetized, honey. We are monetized. I couldn't be happy enough. Hard work pays, guys. God has been with me every step of the way. Today, I decided to throw myself a party. I mean, nothing major, but I always celebrate the little wins. I have my non-alcoholic champagne here. Congrats to me. Let's go ahead and start the party. I got some balloons. Initially, this wasn't the dress I was wearing, so that's why I got white. Let's start blowing the balloons.
Your perfect face, not to mention your perfect body elegance. The way you move while you're dancing.
That was a literal workout. It's not working, so I'll just leave it here like that. I blew the balloons. Oh, okay, there we go. We need that. Now, okay. Time for a long emotional speech. Before I start, it's raining, guys, so if you hear any thunder or anything like that, yeah. I have my champagne, my non-alcoholic champagne here. I just want to be raw with you guys and just tell you all about my experience, the process, and all the shebang, because I have a testimony in here that will encourage somebody. On April 5th, 2020, I decided to start a new YouTube channel. It was not easy. I was so burned on getting 1K subscribers before my birthday, and God being so good, I got it before my birthday. Once you hit 1K subscribers, what's next? Your 4,000 watch hours. You probably need one video that will blow up, that will get you the 4K hours, or you have to do so much to be able to get the 4K hours. I started with some live streams and watching playlists. I kept pushing, I kept trying to get the hours. I felt like I was working too hard and I wasn't really seeing any fruit. One night I went to bed and I was like, God, I'm tired. I need you to intervene. I need you to just speak to me. And it was like 4 a.m. I could not sleep. I was restless, I was anxious. I'm always there for people, but most of the time people are not there for me. I need to sit this down actually, because I'm getting a bit emotional right now. So around 4 a.m. I was like, God, even if you're not going to answer me, can you just put me to sleep? God just put me to sleep, and all of a sudden he showed me the most beautiful dream. In the dream, I had so many people coming to me asking for help. So many people were coming to me with their problems, and I'm like, oh my God, this is just overwhelming. As I was telling them I can't do it, I have no power, then I saw this beautiful gate ever. It was in heaven, and a stairs coming down from the gate. Jesus came. He is so beautiful, guys. He met me. He asked me what I needed. Jesus, I'm tired, just fill me up. He kept smiling at me, and ever since that time, like, everything just changed. He gave me specific instructions, some things I need to do on my channel. Just go back and do the live streams, because I want you to be like a ray of hope to certain people. And he also mentioned that don't worry about the people who are not supporting you. I'll bring helpers. In 10 days, I got 2,800 hours. I had been working so hard for like 2 months, and my hours were not really moving. And then I met him in my dream, and in 10 days, I got like 2,800 hours, guys. I was shocked because so many people found my channel. My live streams could have over 230 people, and that's like so big to me. It's not in the numbers for me, but the thing is, God really showed me who he was. And so I got these hours because he instructed me, and I just did exactly that. I was obedient. The first video I posted was a welcome to my channel video, to know me and what I do and what I'll be doing on my channel. I think it's important that if you're starting new on YouTube, just do a video like that. My name is Jeanie. I'm going to do the new YouTuber tag. Also, I had to work on my sub count. The first day I uploaded that video, I had 11 subscribers, and mostly they were family. At that time, I felt like 1K subscribers were so far away from me, but I kept pushing and pushing, and by June 13th, I hit my 1K subscribers. Then I had to start working on my hours, which took forever, but by God's grace, I was able to hit that 4K hours, and I'm so grateful to all of you, to every single one of you. Also, I just want to mention that once you get the 4,000 hours, do do not wait for YouTube to send you an email. They did send me an email that I had reached my 4,000 hours and so I should apply, but I had already applied. Once I got the 4,000 hours, I just went straight to my monetization tab, and even when I hit the 4,000 hours on my YouTube studio, it hadn't reflected on my monetization tab. And if it hasn't reflected, you can't really do anything about it than to just wait and keep working on your hours. Then I just went on to apply. You'll see a button that says apply now. Just click that button and you see 3 steps that you're supposed to follow. One is to agree to the terms and conditions. The second one is to have your ADSENSE linked to your YouTube, to ask for your address. They mostly will send you something in the mail just to confirm your address. Guys, I want to mention, please do not wait to get your 4,000 hours. Make sure you create an account on Google AdSense because it actually speeds up the process. Do that and link it to your YouTube. It's faster, it's easier, trust me. When I finished with these 3 steps, all I had to do was just wait. I went into my account and got rid of all the spam comments. When you go to YouTube Studio, click video, you will see the part that says restriction. Make sure you don't have any copyright claim. I mean, in my opinion, copyright claim will not really affect your channel, because even if you get a copyright claim email from YouTube, they'll tell you it doesn't really affect your channel. I had 2 copyright claims, but fortunately I was able to mute the song thanks to YouTube. They have a feature on that you can mute the songs that is actually giving you that copyright claim, so I did just that. Once I was monetized, I was able to actually put commercials or ads on the video. On August 2nd at 5:57 a.m. I realized that I got an email. Guys, this email brought me so much joy. I'll just insert it right here. It's congratulations, you've been approved to join the YouTube Partner Program. The YouTube channel Jeanie Mensah has been accepted into the YouTube Partner Program and is now able to monetize on YouTube. Guys, this email brought me so much joy. I just woke up my hubby. I'm like, wake up, we did it. We did it. Like, all the hard work paid. I mean, I had people trying to sabotage me. People did betray me. People hurt me in the process, but I got a lot of amazing people to support me too. The process was a bittersweet experience, but once I got this email, I felt so good. I was just so happy. I knew this was for me. I'm happy because people come to my channel and they are happy and they are able to be inspired. It's all about positive vibes on my channel. So once you come there, if you're negative, no, you can't be on there. Once you come here with a good mindset, with a growth mindset, I'm telling you, like, you'll be inspired and you'll be ready to grow. Guys, this just showed me who God really is and how big he is and how great he is, and whatever he said, he'll bring it to fruition. I'm blessed to have my hubby, my life, my family, my parents, my siblings. I'm so blessed to have a Mensah. He's been so supportive, and I just want to shout out to Viv K, Living, and Jeanie. Anytime I was ranting, I'll just call them. Guess what? It was so hilarious. Also, I just want to mention Miss K. She literally sends me a message almost every morning and night. How are you? Just blessing me. Apostle Edgar, the best that you. My mods, oh my gosh, my moderators, Tashana again, Jazzy Cooking, S. Monomeld, Becky Nat Style, Royal Diamond, Candy Levy, Shanita Marie, Randomly, Tiffany K, Lovely Emma, Miss Clara, Lifestyle by Norky. I didn't want to mention names, but guys, they have been so supportive. Like, God brought angels to me. Oh man, you guys have been awesome, and every single one of you, your messages, your comments, oh my god, sometimes I read the comment section, I just want to cry. All I just want to say is I'm glad and I'm blessed to have all of you. We are celebrating this monetization is not mine, it's for all of us. I just want to keep encouraging you, if in any way or form you're just ready to give up, do not give up. Jeanie said something so sweet in her video. She had her faith restored.
Amazing how God can send a message to you even through a computer. Just listening to Jeanie talk and her saying, you know, it's not over, it's not finished, God is not finished with you yet, you haven't seen anything yet. It just really restored my faith.
I was just encouraging them on my live stream. We are not stopping here, guys. There are bigger things in the pipeline. God just started something so big. I love him and I'm not shy or embarrassed to tell the world about him. He did this for me. With God, everything is possible. Whatever you have prayed to God about, if it's in his will, guys, it's coming. Just hold on to faith. Just believe and know he's about to do something big. Guys, if I did not mention your name, don't be be offended. It's just, you guys are all so awesome with all your kind words. I don't know what else to say, but thank you so much. The last time I sat in this chair celebrating, it was when I hit 1K subscribers, and in less than 2 months I hit my 4,000 watch hours. Now enough of that long speech. Let's just go ahead and celebrate. Let the party begin.
Your perfect face, not to mention your perfect body elegance, the way you move while you're dancing.